Hello everyone, good morning and happy Independence Day. Welcome back to the channel Wild Wheels. This is Vineet and yes, you guessed it right. I'm back on the road and I'm going to my next destination. The plan for today is to go to Penukonda Fort. Penukonda Fort is around 125 kilometers or 130 kilometers from Bangalore. It's on the same STRR highway that I've been doing my last couple of trips. I've already been to Penukonda Fort once, but that was on a rented Triumph that I got from some company in Bangalore which rents out these superbikes, Twist Throttle I think. Yeah, so I rented a bike from there and then went to Penukonda Fort. It was a beautiful ride around 7-8 months back. I plan to go on the Independence Day itself, that is on 15th, but I didn't get time. So I'm doing this ride on Saturday, that is 16th of August. काफ़ी अच्छा मौसम हो रखा है. It's gonna rain I think. Hopefully not like the last time. I mean, if you guys watched my last video, you must have seen how crazy it was raining in Bangalore. So hopefully not like that. But yeah, I mean, even if it does, I think it's a lot of fun. Wow. After the first service, the bike has been performing extraordinarily well. I mean, even at speeds of 130, 135, the bike is running smooth. And also, so I've got a bit of cold, sore throat. Oh, there is something there. I need to be careful. What has happened here? Tire burst. So these kind of things can definitely happen on the highways. So you have to be extremely careful. Yeah, so the bike has been performing extremely well. Even the heat management has kind of improved. Because before the first service, if you're doing a city ride, I mean, it was getting crazy hot. So I think that has kind of improved after the first service because of that engine oil change, most probably. Well, as you can see, it's all cloudy. I'm not expecting a lot of sunshine, so not very sure how beautiful Penukonda Fort would look like. You gotta love all these seasons though. And Bangalore में तो बारिश थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है. I mean, not like the way it used to happen before, like 10-15 years back. I mean, it used to keep raining all day long. But अभी थोड़ा सा कम हो गया है because of urbanization, in short. But that's bound to happen. But still, Bangalore has been able to keep its charm. I mean, except the traffic part, I think everything else is wonderful. So yeah, I mean, I've been thinking a lot about what more can I talk in my videos, right? I mean, so what I've decided is that wherever I go to, generally it's a historical kind of a place which has its own rich history. So during the ride, I'll just give you bits and pieces of some general knowledge about it. How does that sound? I know it sounds kind of boring, but there has to be some kind of commentary. I cannot keep making jokes around it. I know it may sound boring, but history में मजा तो आता है यार. Alright, so let's talk about Penukonda Fort a bit. I completely forgot. हम पेनुकोंडा फोर्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Right, so and these two Kawasaki's came from nowhere. Anyway, so Penukonda Fort, right? So what I've understood from a quick Google search is that Penukonda Fort was the capital of Vijayanagar Empire, and it became the capital after Hampi was destroyed. So I mean, if you would have gone to Hampi, you would have seen. I mean, it has a lot of beautiful monuments, structures, and temples. All of that was built under Vijayanagar Empire. And when that was destroyed in some battle, the next capital was Penukonda. So it holds a very significant meaning in the history of our country, in the history of Andhra Pradesh, to be honest. Anyway, that's a bit of general knowledge for you guys. Alright, so I'm going to enjoy the ride now. And I'll meet you guys when I'm like few kilometers away from Penukonda Fort. See you!